Hey guys, welcome to today's video where we'll go over everything you can expect to find when you order a hub kit from Blueswift Axles. Let's go ahead and have a look inside. Once inside, we can see there's all sorts of good stuff. Starting off with this bag that contains an Easy Lube dust cap, a standard dust cap, a D-shape washer, a tang washer, and standard O washer to ensure that it is compatible with your spindle, along with a cotter pin and castle nut. Then you have the hub assembly, which offers new coned lug nuts, a cap on the top that holds the high temp grease, new bearings, races, and seal, and a cap on the bottom to ensure everything stays inside the hub assembly. And that's a wrap on today's video about hub kits from Blueswift Axles. Order yours today and be prepared for when maintenance comes calling.